the last category over here is error due to power or index. So let us say you have z defined as a square. Now we will be using the formula for multiplication that we use, so we can write this a square as a into a, right? And for finding delta z upon z, what we can use is delta a upon a plus delta a upon a. So this becomes 2 times delta a upon a. I hope you all understood this. ये हमने जैसे लास्ट वाले में a into b था, तो खाली b की जगह पे वापस से a लिखा हुआ है. Let us take one more example. So if you have delta z equal to a cube, so this can be written as a into a, right? And again you will have delta z upon z from the previous slide. What we can write? We can write delta a into a plus delta a into a plus delta a upon a. This is equal to 3 times delta a upon a. Okay, so in to make this thing in short, in general, what you have is, if you have z into z equal to a raised to x, then the relative error is given as x time delta a upon a. Okay, now let us say if you have z is equal to a raised to x, b raised to y upon c raised to z. So don't worry, what we have is delta z upon z. We'll do it one by one. For a, what will happen? It will be x time delta a upon a. For b, what will happen? It will be y time delta b upon b. And for c, in the last slide we said multiplication or division दोनों में relative error ही add होता है. So relative error for c will be delta c by c, and what is the power? Z. So power will be multiplied. So this will be the formula for the errors. Okay, remember these things because ये entrance exam में भी पूछा जाता है. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Let us go ahead to the last topic, which is significant figures. So let us try and understand what is significant figures. Okay, now in the previous example we have seen how to find the errors and all that. Let us say we have a scale for measurement. Now I hope you all remember this is a 0 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and so on. Okay, so these are all given in centimeter. So what is the minimum distance that you can measure? So if you see, every centimeter is divided into millimeters. Okay, so the minimum distance that I can measure over is 0.1 centimeter, or you can say 1 millimeter. So let us say while measuring a length, it was found out that length is 3.4 or 3.5 or 3.3. Okay, or 3.3, or let us say we got 3.4 twice over here. We got 3.4 twice over here. Okay, and then we got 3.3. Okay, so by this we understand that average value is somewhere between 3.4 and 3.5. Okay, so if we take average over here, you will get it as 3.433 and so on. Okay, so this is the arithmetic average or mean that we'll get. Okay, but on this scale, we are very sure कि it is 3 centimeter, है ना? And we are not certain about this remaining terms over here. We will neglect this the other three which is recurring right now. Okay, and we'll just talk about these things. Okay, so we are very sure that it falls in 3 centimeter, but we are not sure whether it falls with 0.4 or 0.5, and आगे का तो we are very much not sure. So there are two numbers over here which we are not certain. Okay, so what is significant figures over here means is the number of digits you are sure with. So how many we are sure over here is 1, plus add one number which you are not sure about. So over here we have two numbers जिसके बारे में हम sure नहीं है. So out of this we'll take one. So total number of significant figures over here is 2. Okay, I'll repeat this. I am very sure that वो 3 centimeter से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है. I am certain about it. Okay, बट आई डोंट नो कि वो 4 या है या 5 है, तो नेक्स्ट दो जो प्लेस यहाँ पे है आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. ओके, सो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट व्हाट इज सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर. So for significant figure what we do is we take the addition of number of certain numbers, मतलब जिनके बारे में हम श्योर है, and we'll add one more out of the unsure numbers. okay, so बाकी दो डिजिट हम unsure है तो उसमें से एक हम लोग ले लेंगे, तो टोटल सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर ये एग्जांपल के लिए क्या हो गया 2. Similarly, let us say if I have reading as 15.3, 15.3 and 15.4. okay, ये मैंने रीडिंग लिया. ओके, अब इसमें जब हम एवरेज निकालेंगे तो यूल गेट 15.33 लेटेस्ट से. ओके, ये एवरेज आया. नाउ इन दिस आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट 15 सेंटीमीटर तो है, बट आगे का ये जो दो डिजिट है आई एम नॉट श्योर. ओके, तो यहाँ पे सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर कितना बन जाएगा, नंबर ऑफ श्योर डिजिट्स विच आर 2 एंड एक अनसर्टेन या अनश्योर में से एक ले लेंगे, तो यहाँ पे कितने बन गए डिजिट्स अपने significant figures अपने 3. and what are those figures, significant figures 1, 5 and 3. okay, 1, 5 and 3. likewise यहाँ पे जो दो significant figures है वो कौन से बन गए 3 and 4. I hope you all understood this. Let us go ahead and understand the rules for determining significant figures. The first rule is that all the non-zero digits are significant. okay, if you are sure about it. So if the volume is given by 178.43 meter cube, then there are 5 significant digits 1, 7, 8, 4 and 3 over here. Next, all the zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. So over here if you find between 5 and 2 we got a 0 over here. So this 0 is also significant. So we got 5 significant digits over here, 1, 6, 5, 0 and 2. I hope you all understood this. Next, if the number is less than 1, the zeros on the right of the decimal point and to the left of the non-zero digit are not significant. So the underlined zeros are not significant. So let me underline it. So these zeros are non-significant. And right side पे भी अगर कुछ होता तो it was non-significant. okay, and thus the above number has only 4 significant digits. What are those? 1, 4, 0, 5. What is the criteria for this? The number is less than 1. Remember this. okay, let us go ahead. The zeros on the right hand side of the last non-zero number are significant. okay, but for this the number must be written with a decimal point. So if you write 1.500, so you are giving precision that answer is having all zeros on the right. okay, all zeros on the right. So we got 4 significant digits over here, figures over here. okay, now this might lead to confusion, so let us have an example of basic rule where we avoid this confusion. So to avoid this confusion, what we do is we use this steady format, standard format, and this format is a into 10 raised to 10. So whatever is the number, you write it in this format. What is a का value should be between 0.5 से लेके 5 तक and everything to the power raised to 10. okay, so let us take one example. जैसे radius of earth, ठीक है, radius of earth is 6400 kilometer. If you convert this into meter, it will become 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. 3 zeros from here and kilometer to meter ka 3 zeros. But this is greater than 5, right? So what we can do is we can write it as 0.64 into 10 raised to 7. okay, so this is greater than 0.5, so condition is satisfied. So you got integer n as 7 and there are two significant numbers over here. What are those? 6 and 4. Same way you can do for other examples. If you have any query, let me know. The homework that you have for now is complete this notes and solve the MCQs, 5 MCQs which are given at the end of this chapter, and let me know if there is any query. Thank you very much.